Hey guys, this is Ankit and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another unboxing video, and this time it's the Mivi Play Bluetooth speaker, which has very good bass and loudness and comes at a very affordable price. So with that said, let's begin. The Mivi Play Bluetooth speaker comes in this sort of packaging. It is a made in India product, just like all other products from Mivi. At the back you get to see some highlighted features of the product, and as usual I will be talking about it in the later part. So now let's unbox it. On the very top you get to see some usual paperwork from Mivi. After that you will notice there are some cables popping out from the sides. These are an aux cable for wired use and a micro USB to USB-A for charging. And lastly, here's the Mivi Play speaker. I purchased the green variant, but it is also available in 5 other attractive color options. So the Mivi Play speaker comes in this all matte plastic body, and you get to see a big and bold branding from Mivi right at the front. In the lower part, you will get to see a lot of stuff. Starting off with the indicator LED, it is right underneath their branding. And you get to see a mic hole to the left of it. Going towards the right, you will see the power button and the play pause button. Moving further to the right gets you to the rubber covering the aux and micro USB ports. And moving a bit more gets you to the volume buttons, which also serves as the track changing buttons. At the top you get to see a cool looking speaker grill, enhancing its looks further. And lastly, at the bottom you get to see some rubber stabilizers to prevent it from moving. The Mivi Play is a 5-watt speaker with Bluetooth version 5.0. It is an IPX4 certified water and dust resistant speaker. The speciality of the speaker is you can buy 2 units and pair them together for a stereo-like experience. The weight of this speaker is 164 grams and the battery capacity is 1000 mAh. The sound quality of the speaker is very impressive. I never thought that such a small speaker, especially at this price, will have this much bass and loudness. The trebles, vocals, instrumentals, all are good. A very satisfying output considering the price. It can be a perfect speaker for home dance practices or yoga classes, and can even be a great portable laptop speaker.
Will they reduce the
Currently the 960 is selling for around 11k to 12k, and the 970 is like 14 to 17k. So you decide, you wanna buy such an old GPU at these prices, then it's your money, it's your choice.
Why would I buy so old GPUs at so high prices?
That's what I'm trying to say, na. Don't buy right now. If you can wait, it's better to wait. Pairing is just like any other Bluetooth speaker. Turn it on and it will appear in your phone's Bluetooth menu. The indicator light will become still when it is paired. For controls, you have play pause button beside the power button. To play or pause, tap the button one time. To change volume, tap the volume buttons one time, and to change the tracks, hold the volume buttons. For next track, it's volume up, and for the previous one, it's volume down. To pick up or end calls, press the play button one time, and to reject a call, hold the play button for a second. To redial the last number, tap the play button twice, and lastly, to activate Google Assistant, hold the power button for a second. The battery capacity of the speaker is 1000 mAh. It takes around 2 hours to fully charge. On a full charge, it can give you more than 10 hours of playback with 90% volume. This is a very value for product in my opinion. I am very impressed with the output it provides at this price range. The bass and loudness at this price feels too good to be true. I can recommend to anyone who is searching for a small but powerful speaker at under 1000 Indian rupees. And this is it guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will be catching you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.